Multiply these two fractions. 6x cubed over 11y squared times 22x to the fourth y to the fourth over 24. Each fraction only has one term in the numerator and one term in the denominator, so there's no need to factor. We can just start to reduce. So if we go one piece at a time, let's look at the 6 first. I want to look for anything in the denominator that can reduce with a 6. And I see 6 and 24 can reduce. So 6 goes into 6 one time, and 6 goes into 24 4 times. Next, I go to the x's. I notice I have an x cubed here, but I don't have any x's in the denominator that I can use to reduce. So that'll stay. Next, we look at the 22. I see that 22 and 11, those can both reduce. We can divide them both by 11. So 22 divided by 11 is 2, and 11 divided by 11 is 1. Now I can go further with this 2, because now 2 and 4 can reduce. 2 goes into 2 one time, and 2 goes into 4 2 times. We look at the next term. We have an x, but I have no x's in the denominator that I can use to reduce, so that one will stay. And then finally we have this y to the fourth, and I see I also have a y squared in the denominator. So we can reduce both by dividing both by y squared. So y squared divided by y squared is 1. Y to the fourth divided by y squared is y squared. Now this is looking really messy, so let's rewrite this without all the stuff circled and crossed out. Our first fraction, we have 1x cubed over 1 times 1. The second fraction, we have 1 times x to the fourth times y squared over 2. Let's multiply what we still have left. So in the numerator, 1 times 1 will be 1. X to the third times x to the fourth gives us x to the seventh because we add exponents. And then we have y squared. In the denominator, 1 times 2 is 2. So we can simplify this to x to the seventh y squared divided by 2.